Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to learn how to describe a population comparison chart in IELTS Writing Task 1. This question compares and forecasts the percentage of 3 different age groups in the populations of Yemen and Italy between the years 2000 and 2050. In IELTS Task 1, your first step is always to write an introduction by paraphrasing the question. You can say, the charts compare and predict the population distribution of 3 age groups in Yemen and Italy over a 50-year period from 2000 to 2050. This introduction is clear, formal, and perfect for IELTS writing. Now, let's move to the overview section, which is one of the most important parts of Task 1. Overall, Yemen is expected to have a decline in its youngest age group, while its middle-aged population will increase. On the other hand, Italy shows a different trend, where the older population is predicted to rise significantly, while the working age group declines. Now let's explain Yemen in detail. In Yemen, the percentage of children aged 0 to 14 is predicted to decrease from 50% in 2000 to 37% in 2050. This means fewer young people will make up the total population in the future. At the same time, the 15 to 59 age group is expected to grow from 46.3% to 57.3%. This shows a strong increase in the working age population. Meanwhile, the oldest age group, which is people aged 65 and above, will experience only a small rise, increasing from 3.6% to 5.7%. Now let's discuss Italy. Italy presents a completely different pattern. The 15 to 59 age group is expected to fall significantly from 61.6% in 2002, 46.2% in 2050. However, the older population aged 60 and above is predicted to rise sharply from 24.1% to 42.3%. This suggests that Italy's population is becoming older over time. In contrast, the youngest group aged 0 to 14 will decline slightly from 14.3% to 11.5%. So, this chart clearly shows that Yemen will continue to have a younger population, while Italy is expected to experience population aging. That's all for today's IELTS Writing Task 1 explanation. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more IELTS writing tips and practice examples. Thank you for watching.